What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Julius-Zacarias. Today we're going to talk about 5 simple home upgrades that you could do for your home before you list and sell your house. Diving into tip number 1 would be the lighting of your home. After doing a couple Google searches, I've went ahead and found the average lightings would be about $100 to $250 per lamp or lighting fixture. Let's multiply that by 6 and think we're working on a 4-bedroom house and 1 bedroom has a light in each room. Now we have a living room and then we'll also have a dining room, and we'll go ahead and multiply those figures. So it's about $600 to $1,200 in total if you were to remodel those specific rooms. Tip number 2 would be the home appliances in your kitchen. I'll leave all of these infos down in the description below. Here's one bulk package company, I guess you would call it. So by looking at this company, we're going to go ahead and see that they do a side-by-side refrigerator with an electric range, with a dishwasher and an over-the-range microwave for the cost of $3,200. Now we're adding the cost here just to give you a general idea of how much you would need to spend to make a little bit more when you list your home. Moving on to tip number 3, we're going to go ahead and talk about repainting the exterior and interior and kind of the average cost that I came up with and what I was able to research. According to HomeAdvisor.com, the average cost would be about $1,800 to $4,100 depending on the square footage of the home that you have. Tip number 4, we're going to go ahead and dive into upgrading those single pane windows. It might be a good idea for you to upgrade to dual pane just because of the fact that you could save a little bit more of the warmth during the winter seasons. According to Moving.com, the average cost of a dual pane window could be around $300 to $400. The last tip I'm going to go ahead and recommend is landscaping and giving your home a better curb appeal. Now this one I didn't really add a dollar amount because sky's the limit with what you could do with landscaping. When you increase the curb appeal, you're going to go ahead and increase the amount of visibility that you get for your home. You're going to start attracting more attention, which is a good thing that you want to go ahead and start doing. I hope these home upgrade tips were able to help you out just a little bit. If you have any questions and you're in the Northern Nevada area and you want to list your home, feel free to let me know. I'm out here serving Fallon, Fernley, Reno, Sparks. So if there's anything that I can do for you, feel free to let me know. And subscribe, like, comment what you think down below, what you think, and take a look at those resources that I left down there as well. I appreciate your time and thank you so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in the next one.